Today I am going to reveal an exciting camera for you. For all the content creators, this is like a gold mine. Okay, so I recently ordered a camera and I want to show you right in front of you, and I'm doing the unboxing for you exclusively. So to all the content creators out here, consider this is one of the best vlogging camera you can ever find in the history of mankind, because this is very pocket friendly and it got so much of hype. So introducing Osmo Pocket 3. This is the camera I recently got and I ordered this from Amazon. So if you also want to order this, I will give the link in the description. You can check out this beautiful camera. And I'm very basic at unboxing. I'm not at pro level. See, I do not have much equipment to shoot ultimate unboxing video. So this is basic. I hope you can see this. So what all we are going to see is like unboxing and see what all in the box contains, and I'll show you sample pictures and videos at the end. So let's unbox this. Right now I'm shooting this in iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, so I do not have this opener, what you would call, I don't know, like this unboxing people often will have that knife, right? But right now I found this. Don't be scared, okay? I only have this. So let me unbox this and see how it is. Okay? So fine. Let's see what open, and this is the wrap. The most beautiful thing, right? When we unwrapping something which we truly love. And presenting you, this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Very pocket friendly, trust me. So right now, let's see what all this box contains. And see, generally I don't do this unboxing kind of videos because I'm not a tech guy. But many of my audience requested, followers requested, because recently I took a live class where I recently purchased DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Do you want unboxing and sample pictures and images? Everybody said yes, most of them. So I'm doing this unboxing video, and soon I'm gonna do one more video of my new office tool. You see, right now it is kind of messed up. I ordered few items to look the background very good, so only few came. I'll show you the studio setup tool and how much it costs, what gear I'm using, and how I'm producing content. As I've told you, everyone, that I'm gonna produce mass content in 2025. Please do consider subscribing my YouTube channel and turn on that notification bell icon. Okay. So I've got something this, and wow, this is beautiful. I love it. So let us open what it has, like a beautiful bag. Okay, so this is the beautiful bag of DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and let us know what exactly it contains inside. Okay, great. So are you ready? 1, 2, 3. So this is DJI Osmo Pocket. It's literally how much it is. Very pocket friendly, and I love this design absolutely. And you can create some amazing content using this. At the end of this video, you will see it. Okay, this is DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Good, it stands great, and we have. I ordered, by the way, creator combo. So if you order this, I guess the price is 50,000. The creator combo will cost you 69,000 if I'm not wrong. Where you will get this mic. So I ordered this DJI mic, where you can clip like this, and it is also coming with noise cancellation. So I ordered this, and whenever I'm in outside, like I use this microphone a lot, because it comes with noise cancellation, and you got extra battery. So this is like extra battery which uh, you will get only in the creator combo, where you can simply plug it like this. That's it. Okay. This is an extra battery you will have. Inside this, you will have one battery, and this is an extra battery. So I have seen a couple of YouTube videos like when you are continuously shooting, it will give at least 7-8 hours of complete backup. So that's more than enough for any creator. So this is like I'm trying to. Oh, now it's like completely fixed, and let's unwrap this. The most beautiful thing. Camera is having 57% and this extra battery is having 52%. So this is the overall DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and what all it contains. Let's see. Oh, you have a tripod also, mini tripod in the creator combo, which you won't get typically when you buy only DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And I'm sorry if I'm saying too many times and. So this is small tripod. Let us fix this and see how it goes. Crazy, right? Amazing, beautiful. Hi guys! So let me shoot my first vlog. This is like the tripod. Okay, and you can shoot this. This is the tripod. Amazing, right? And what all we have? We have one more here. I don't know what it is. Let us see. So what it is? Okay, this is one more connector we've got. I exactly don't know what it is. I guess this is also for extra. Oh, this is for charging purpose. If I'm not wrong, correct. So to charge this, so you need to plug in. So if you okay, so here you have to plug in this and you have to charge. Here you need to charge. Okay, so beautiful. I love it. So what if you're getting too many things? Okay, you got this, you got extra battery, you got tripod, you've got beautiful, loving pocket camera. Okay, and what all it contains. That's it. You've got USB-C cable to charge this Pocket 3. Okay. I've already told you I'm not that great at what do you call it? Doing unboxing videos. This is the first or second time I'm doing it. You got some like, this holder like you can carry. This is like noise cancellation for the mic. Okay. So where you can use it typically here. Okay, I don't know where we need to use this. Typically here you need to use like this is like noise cancellation, wind cancellation. You can consider this for the mic exclusively. And there should be one magnet if I'm not wrong. See, when you're wearing t-shirt, exclusively, right now I'm wearing a shirt and I can clip it like that. But when you typically wear a t-shirt, you don't have this option. For that, they provide this small, this is wide angle lens by the way. Okay, it's so small that I have to show this for you. It's too small. This is wide angle lens where you have to simply plug it like this. That's it. This is wide angle. You can feel some extra wide angle shots. I'll show you that also when I'm shooting the content. So let me put this inside because this is too tiny. Okay. So this is wide angle lens. And I think it where's the magnet. We'll be having that magnet. Right now I don't know whether I've got that magnet or not. I have to check. Oh, inside the bag. Oh, it's done. It's done. Where is the magnet? Oh, you have this manual. You can read this manual and you can actually go through this. Okay, but you can find a lot of YouTube videos. We have few more. You DJI logo. You have Pocket 3 one guarantee card and the other stuff. Blah blah. Okay. What is this? You have something else here. Oh, you got the case too. You've got the case. Here you see. This is the case, okay, for Osmo Pocket 3, where you can simply plug it this. Like, I don't know how we need to plug this out. I guess this is the case, okay. I'll show you in the later videos like how this case will be useful. This is the case, okay. This is the case, by the way. So, and I did not got my magnet. Oops. Where is the magnet now? In the box, it has clearly written where. See, DJI mic to clip magnet. But where is this clip magnet? That is my question. Okay, let's see where it is. This is the one. I don't know. Clip magnet. There is no clip magnet, by the way. Okay, so fine. We'll ask that Amazon wall people, like, where is my magnet? Okay, so they'll provide any which way. So these are the things which you get inside the box. But I do order few accessories for DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'll show you. So these are two magnetic holders which I ordered. Okay. So when I'm traveling in the car, so I can simply use these magnets and I can clip this magnet like that. Okay, and I'll get beautiful footage while I'm traveling. So I ordered these two magnetic holders. I'll give all the links in the description. Whatever I ordered, used accessories as well. And this is, like memory card. I ordered 256 GB SanDisk memory card I ordered. So from that, and also this is screen protector. I ordered tempered glass. So this is screen protector for DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and this is very beautiful. Okay, so these are all ND filters. You can search for ND filters, you will get it. So where you can shoot some amazing shots from this. I'll also show you at the end by using these clips how can we shoot the content. Okay, right now we have 4 ND filters. ND filter 1, 2, 3, 4, where you need to place in front of the lens and it will give you some amazing footage. Okay, so these are the ND lenses. 1, 2, 3, 4 I ordered. I'll show you each one how different it will be and how you're getting everything. So that's the unboxing video. I feel like I did not miss anything. So let me no, I did not miss anything. So I missed only magnet. So DJI magnet is what I missed. So let's see how this Amazon guys will respond. And I'll show you some of the beautiful shots which I shot from this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Okay, let's do that.
So this is outdoor which I'm shooting right now. It's completely like on a sunny day. And this is the footage if you can look at. And right now I have no tripod in my hand. It's just DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and you can see the footage. And if I want to show the front, so I'll show it to you. So this is how it is looking on a bright sunny day. This is how it is looking inside the car. Right now I'm traveling and I want to shoot the content for you, and this is how it is looking. I guess you like the footage, and I'll come up with more pictures now. Okay, see the sample pictures also. So here is my final point and update whether you should buy DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or not. If you want to create content, if you love vlogging and you are into marketing field and want to create some amazing footage, then definitely go ahead and take DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And when it comes to photos, okay, so photos is also absolutely brilliant, okay. So but the only thing what you need is like a small edit after you take photos. So when you compare which one is more good, video or photos, like videos I can award 9 out of 10, and for photos I can award 7 or 8 out of 10. Okay, so you can definitely go ahead and purchase. If you are a content creator looking for some amazing handful camera, if you're a solo creator, if you don't need anyone to shoot content for you, this is the best camera for you can purchase. And also if you can purchase creator combo, you will get this a microphone too, where you can attach to your camera or to your pockets as well. So right now I'm shooting with noise cancellation off. Okay, if on, I mean noise cancellation on. So if I press this power button, now the noise cancellation is off. You can listen some fan noise, and this is with noise cancellation on. Okay, so that's the final review. It's worth purchasing for video footage. It's worth purchasing for content creator. If you love vlogging, creating amazing content, a pocket size camera if you're looking at with no one help to shoot, then this is the best possible camera you can purchase. And you can find creator combo and this Osmo Pocket 3 links in the description. See you with the next video.